Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from Currency Desk. In terms of the Indian rupee, we witnessed a sharp depreciation in the value against the US dollar. This was mainly because we had a huge sell-off in the global equity markets. This was mainly being attributed to the fact that now US faces the key decision of fiscal cliff. This fiscal cliff is type of austerity measure which is to be implemented by the US. If it is not implemented, then the US deficit will rise to a great extent. But yes, if it is implemented, there will be spending cuts of up to around $600 billion. So all in all, this seems to be a dicey situation for the US government. Experts are of the opinion that fiscal cliff should not be implemented in a full scale. It should be done part by part. If it is done in a full scale, we could witness the US growth come down from near about 2% of normal rate to actually a decline of GDP growth. We are nearing holiday season, so we would not see any major movement in the US dollar and other currencies in the Indian markets unless and until there are some major movement in the international markets. Currently, dollar index is slightly down from above 81 levels to near about 80.78. So we can expect some support for the Indian rupee against the US dollar. But yes, later in the day, as we saw the euro weaken, the Indian rupee covered all its losses. Currently, we recommend to buy the US dollar on dips, which is around 54.30 levels in the spot. In terms of euro, we have witnessed the euro weaken a lot yesterday based on the risk-averse sentiment developing in the markets. Yes, of course, the risk-averse sentiment is related to the fiscal cliff nervousness as well as the Spanish bailout uncertainty. Yesterday we had the ECB meet outcome wherein ECB has not done any interest rate cuts as expected. But yes, another major development was that ECB has made a statement that in terms of the Spanish bailout package, it would not put any pressure on the Spanish government regarding opting for a formal bailout package. Also, on the other end, we had the Spanish bond auctions in which the actual target for the year 2012 was met. So now, as of now, there is no requirement of external borrowing for the Spanish economy. So this means that we could witness some stabilizing in the yields of the bonds of Spanish economy. So what this also means is that Spain would definitely not opt for any formal bailout package in the current fiscal year. So all in all, this would be slightly bearish for the euro, not only against the US dollar but also against the Indian rupee. Currently, the euro USD is expected to find some support around 1.67 levels. But yes, if there are any major negative economic data or some negative developments, we could see the euro USD fall up till 1.25 levels. Of course, the US dollar, the US economy data which is coming out weak and the fiscal cliff uncertainty would restrict the downfall in the euro. At current levels in the euro against the Indian rupee, we recommend a sell at 69.0 levels in the spot. The Bank of England also kept key rates unchanged and has not gone for any further quantitative easing. The current round of quantitative easing is about to come to an end. So Bank of England is delaying an extension of the same. The GBP, the pound is expected to move up based on this stance of the Bank of England, because any type of easing or rate cut leads to depreciation in the value of its domestic currency. The visible trade balance figures which are expected due today are expected to come slightly better than expected. But yes, if the trade balance figures are not good, we could see a sell-off in the pound. Currently, the pound is trading above 1.6 levels against the US dollar. We expect it to rally up till 1.61 levels. But yes, pound would be a stronger buy against the euro than against the US dollar. At current levels in the GBP INR, we recommend a buy above 87.36 in the spot. The Japanese yen is one currency which is rallying on safe haven demand, and that too at a much greater rate than US dollar. Due to the weakness in the US dollar, it has found itself strong demand for its currency. It is trading at weekly highs against the US dollar. We expect the USD JPY rate to move down up till 78 levels, which means that Japanese yen will appreciate further. We can at current levels take a long position in Japanese yen with a stop loss of 68.45, which is a strong support for the Japanese yen against the Indian rupee. Thank you.